Kelly. Oh my god. Yep. Come in.
You alright, mate?
Pretty knackered. Must have been a heavy night.
Yeah, it was a pretty heavy one. You were absolutely wasted. Mate, what happened in here?
Well, only one got laid, didn't I? Thanks to these bad boys.
Mate, this is brilliant.
What's brilliant?
You and Kelly, do you think maybe this could be the start of something new?
Well, I wouldn't be surprised. To be honest, if she walked in here right now, she wouldn't be able to keep her hands off of me. She was like a bucking bronco, like a slippery.
Hi Ellie, how are you feeling this morning?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Cup of coffee helps, but did you have a good night last night?
Yeah, no, it was good. How was it for you?
Yeah, Kelly, how was it for you?
It was good, I suppose. I hope the bed was comfortable enough for you.
Yeah, no, it was fine, thanks. Sure can take a pounding.
I suppose it was more comfortable than the couch we found you on this morning. Anyways, I've got to go to work, so thanks for last night.
Well, looks like I got laid last night thanks to these bad boys.